answer the questions that are there. So here's the two equations, and they graphed it for you. Based on this graph, would you tell me there's one solution, infinite solution, or no solution? So you look at all three of those graphs and answer based on what they gave you. You don't have to graph anything. They graphed it for you, but based on what the graph looks like, what is your answer? Remember, infinite solutions, you're going to touch on every point. No solution, they're never going to touch. One solution, they cross at one point. Yep. All right, first graph, one solution, infinite solution, no solution. Jack? One solution. What point is the solution at? Very good. -2, 1. Nicely done. Second one solution, infinite solution, no solution. Allison? Infinite solutions. It looks like one line, but notice they have it labeled L1 and L2, meaning they graphed right on top of each other. Set those down before I take them. And the last one, who can tell me the answer to that one? Liana? Has no solution. Nicely done, because they are parallel lines. I almost said perpendicular. Good thing you said that. Parallel lines. When you have a problem like this on your online today, are you going to have to write anything down for me? No, there's no work to show on this. You're just looking, if they cross, it's one. If there's only one line, it's infinite. If there's no lines, or if there's two lines that never cross, there's no solution.
So why would this be enough? Because if you do one,
but
they would never intersect.
This same line is graphed right on top of itself, so they cross at every single point.
Oh.
That's why it says L1 and L2. So they're saying that they graphed this one, and then when they graphed that one, it ended up being the same exact line. Good question. Okay, flip it over. This is exactly what your homework looks like today. Graph the system below and write its solution. You may have to write no solution or infinitely many. Okay, so we take our first equation. What do I do? Very good. Y is by itself, so my slope is -1/4. My y-intercept is -3. So where do I start? -3. Go down 3 and start there. Here's where lots of people make mistakes. Pay attention that your slope is a -1/4. What does that tell you to do? Down 1, but still right 4. Go down, but still towards Hoosier. Down 1, right 4. Now, the best part about Alex is, do you have to put more than 2 points on there? No, because Alex will help you. On your paper, I would like you to do more. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your ruler that Tone gave you. Connect your dots. Okay, so we take our second line. What's my slope? 2/1. What's my y-intercept? 6. So I start at 6, and I go up to right 1. Question for you. Obviously, it's going to cross, but because it's not on Alex, it might not be great. How could we go and get our points down in this area? Courtney? Very good. Change. Yep. Make sure you change both of them. So we could go down to left 1. Down to left 1. Down to left 1. Down to, ooh, looks like it crosses there, correct? Now, the nice part about Alex is it's going to make a perfect line for you. Everybody take a minute and write down the X, comma, Y location of that point. Write down what that location is. X, comma, Y. X, comma, Y. Who's got the answer to this one for me? Bryce? He says -4, -2. What are your thoughts? Yeah. I like it. Do we really need to do that other problem, or you want to work? I think you can work. Okay? Paper in the back. It's online. I will help you if you need it. Hey, look at me 1 second. If your dots don't, or your lines don't cross at a perfect point, you graphed something wrong. Okay? You graphed something wrong in that case. Regraph them. All right, go to work. Knowledge.